In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create exactly top 10 video using AI. It's called like 10 best restaurant in Dubai. You can see here are lots of video I found. It's called like 1,42,000 views from since published. It's published 2 years ago. It's published 11 months ago. It's called 30,000 view. It's 21,000 views and 1.6k views, and basically lots of views from every single video. Exactly, I'm going to show you how to create top 10 video using AI tool. It's called like invideo.io. So here I tried a caption. This is title 10 best restaurant in Dubai. You can write anything. 10 best restaurant in Newark, 10 best city for visiting 2025, and 10 best places in Japan, etc., etc. You can write anything and everything here. Just comment on ChatGPT, then ChatGPT write a script for you, then you can convert here. Otherwise, you can write on InVideo 10 best restaurant in Dubai. This AI tool create a video for you. You can see here are version 3. I always recommend you for version 3 because this is allowed to create immediately and live text to image option here. So just click on generate video, then wait only few seconds, and this AI tool create and doing everything and anything. You don't need to touch for video editing, script writing, and anything. You need to just upload on your YouTube channel. This is very simple work. You can see it's already analyzed. Title top 10 must try restaurant in Dubai. I input here 10 best restaurant in Dubai. This AI tool convert my title to the next level. Then this AI tool create a video only for you right now. It's exclusively for me. So I'm waiting few seconds for the result. Wow, you can see it's already working right now. Then I need to select some option. It's called like if you have a paid tool, this is a paid version. You are able to create generative media. This called like no stocking footage, and it's called Pixabay, Pixel, and Shutterstock, and etc. Don't use this InVideo AI. They are creating every single footage from scratch. So I select stock media because this is a free account. Then I select 4 minutes long video. Its audience type Dubai visitor and footage traveler. Okay, this is good. You can select any others. This doesn't matter as well. Then click on continue. Then it's already this might take a few minutes. If you want to leave now, just click on notify when is ready. Then when your video are ready, then this AI tool send you a email. Then you can log in and download it immediately from email. Okay, once you have done this process, if I click on here,
hey there, food fanatics! Welcome to Dubai, the ultimate foodie paradise. Get ready for a culinary adventure because we're about to explore the 10 best restaurants this amazing city has to offer.
and this is really good and awesome. And this AI tool also give me a transcript. This is really good. Then if you don't like and you need to read correction, any information, any script, any image and everything, you are recorrection here everything and anything. It's called like media. If you don't like this image, you can replace with the others image, and here are option available. So then if you want to change music, script, setting and anything, you are able to do changes. Then once you've done everything and anything, you need to download this video. Just click on download, then select your type of watermark. If you have a paid plan, use no watermark. Normal. If you want to subtitle, it's totally paid plan, but I wanna use free, then click on stock watermark, then normal, and then enter and 1080 pixel good, then click on continue. It's already working right now. It's rendering currently. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.
Hey there, food fanatics! Welcome to Dubai, the ultimate foodie paradise. Get ready for a culinary adventure because we're about to explore the 10 best restaurants this amazing city has to offer. Loosen your belts, grab a napkin, and get ready for a delicious ride. First up is Al Mahara, and trust me, this isn't your average seafood shack. This place has a giant aquarium surrounding the dining area. Imagine enjoying your lobster bisque while sharks swim by. Speaking of lobster bisque, theirs is incredible. Rich, creamy, with big chunks of lobster. It's like a party in your mouth. Next, we're off to Zuma, a super stylish Japanese restaurant. We're talking amazing sashimi, perfectly grilled robata, and plenty of sake. Just remember to pace yourself. We've got 8 more restaurants to go. Want to impress your date? Take them to Pirshik. It's built on stilts over the water so you can enjoy amazing views of the city. The food is fantastic too, with a Mediterranean menu that'll make you say, wow. From the Arabian Gulf, we're heading to La Petite Maison, a fancy French restaurant. With its white tablecloths and cozy atmosphere, it feels like you're in Paris. Their French Mediterranean dishes are bursting with flavor, and they have tons of wine to choose from. Next up is Nobu, a world-famous restaurant. Their Japanese Peruvian fusion food is legendary. The black cod with miso is so good, and the yellowtail sashimi is super fresh. Get ready to be amazed by Oceano. You'll be surrounded by huge windows that look into a giant aquarium. It's like dining under the sea. The seafood here is some of the best in Dubai. Let's spice things up at Koya, a vibrant Peruvian restaurant. With lively music and colorful decorations, it's a real party. Their ceviche is amazing, and their lomo saltado is so good you'll want to dance. For delicious Indian food, check out Armani Amal in the Burj Khalifa. The views are incredible, and the food is even better. Their butter chicken is so rich and flavorful, you won't be able to get enough. Next, we're going to Social by Heinz Beck for some modern Italian food. This isn't your typical Italian restaurant. Chef Beck is a true artist, and his dishes are amazing. Get ready for some surprises. Finally, we're ending our journey at Awan, a traditional Arabian restaurant. It's super fancy with live music and a huge buffet. You can try all sorts of delicious Arabian dishes like hummus, shawarma, and lamb uzi. So there you have it, the top 10 restaurants in Dubai. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more foodie adventures. See you next time.